Anti-inflammation diet hacks eat your way to better health in under a minute. Health hacks looking to reduce inflammation. Here are some quick diet hacks that can make a significant impact on your health. Load up on colorful fruits and veggies. Think berries, leafy greens, and tomatoes. They're packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation. Additional tips for fruits and veggies. Try to eat a rainbow of fruits and vegetables every day. The wider the variety, the more nutrients you'll get. Opt for organic whenever possible to reduce exposure to pesticides. Choose healthy fats. Incorporate olive oil, avocados, and nuts into your meals. These help reduce inflammation and promote heart health. More on healthy fats, consider adding flax seeds and chia seeds to your diet. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Spice it up. Turmeric and ginger are powerful anti-inflammatory spices. Add them to your dishes for an extra health boost. Tips for using spices. Fresh ginger can be grated into stir-fries or hot water for tea. Turmeric can be sprinkled into soups, smoothies, or even eggs for a golden touch. Make these simple changes and feel the difference in your health. Love these tips? Hit that subscribe button and join our community for more health hacks.